What's
Hi
our
guys.
good and bad news, baby?
Bad news is Indy fell in the shower last night and she's got a boo-boo. My baby got a boo-boo.
Got a little gash. It's so scary. And baby.
Yeah.
She was so brave.
She cried for only a minute and then once we put the band-aid on, then she was like excited to have a band-aid on. Hi guys.
1, 2, 3.
Hi guys.
1, 2, 3.
Hi guys. Hurry up, I don't have time for this.
Okay, that's serious. 1, 2, 3. Hi guys. Ready?
Let's just start. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Hi guys. Indy, help me,
No, serious now.
Alright guys, so in case you haven't heard or in case you didn't know, we are going home. Hey!
I haven't been home in 2 years.
Yeah, Regi hasn't been back to Australia in a long time, and Indy and I have been just floating around going here and there. So today is Tuesday and we fly out on Thursday, so we have 2 days to pack all our stuff, clean up our house, say goodbye to all our dear nanas and friends that we've met, and go home.
Yep. I'm dreading the flight, man.
Well, I'm not. I quite like flying.
How long did it take to get to London? Like 2 hours?
Yeah.
That's
So
not bad.
it's not bad. So our first leg is to London, where we have 24 hours there, and then we fly
what we gotta
to
do.
what?
Let's sort the hotel out.
Oh,
Otherwise, we're sleeping on the street.
before we forget. Yeah. There's just so much that we have to do right now, and we're just like, what's for lunch? Oh yeah, the local restaurant that is literally just down there is open, so maybe
But,
you should go and
I'm sure
see
they close
if...
it. It's 3:22. So I'm gonna go order.
Yeah, hopefully they've got food. Okay. And yeah, Indy's in the back. She's crashed out.
They're closed.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. So what are we gonna eat?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, let's go and get something.
Ah.
We'll just drive around.
Alright.
That's the second time that we've tried to eat there and they've closed on us. We definitely need to go tomorrow and support them.
Yeah.
So we are at one of the shopping malls that we live really close to, and this is where we usually go and do our grocery shopping. So we're here to buy some snacks for our 2 weeks in quarantine. When we fly back to Australia, we're going to join the queue and show you guys what we get later. So this is the queue, guys. Huh? I know. So many people. No, we usually look at a line like this, turn around and go straight back home, but we have nothing else better to do. This store is huge, and that's probably why we come here, because it's got everything. A pharmacy inside, a bakery, it has a seafood shop, they have a kids area, they've got homewares, they've got clothes, they've got shoes. I've just got everything in one, so it's probably why everyone comes here. Alright, let's go. So this is the store. It's called Ocean. So we're here for snacks. So we're just gonna head straight over to the snack department. But look at that way, babe. Show everyone. It's got a tech department. There's kids' toys right here. They usually have their weekly or monthly promotions where they put them in this area here. And it looks like this month's promotion is tea and coffee. They had cheese and wine once. And we were just going around taste testing the cheese. Oh, do we need eggs? No.
You can get like a pack of 6 eggs. Or a pack of 6 instead of 12.
We've got 2 days here.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get eggs. Little shopping bag here. So you can hold that, babe. Okay. So I've spotted some Pringles. They are
Pringles
€1.
are what's possible.
€1.95 down from $2.79. I think this is like a ham flavour.
The small ones are.
So we're gonna get one of these, babe. Do you want a flavour?
Sure. Look at the chicken tikka. Teriyaki. €10 for a box. €9 for 15 pack. Not bad. Not
€1.99. I mean, come on, for a bottle of wine and 13% alcohol. So, okay, to the snacks area. Let's go. So they've got homewares in this section. Kids' clothes and men's and women's on this side. So there's more chips down in this aisle. I don't know, we usually get these ruffles.
Are we getting Pringles because of the size of it? They're not going to take up too much room?
Should be fine. These are my go-to. I usually like these or a pack of Lays. Okay, so I've never tried these before, but we'll try these. The whole aisle is literally chocolate and lollies, which makes it even harder to choose what one to get. But our go-to is usually Milka, which is Regi's favourite brand. I like a bit of the almond. No, hazelnut, isn't it? Is that hazelnut there? Oh, this is a huge one.
That's what I'm talking about. Can you get another one?
So this should last us 2 weeks, babe.
2 days, huh?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
So, green tea Kit Kats. I don't know if you guys have tried these, but they are amazing. So they don't have them in Australia, so I'm going to take a couple. What else, babe?
I can get another big one. Give me some biscuits. Look, almond caramello.
Yeah, that one looks
Bogner
good.
caramello.
There's so many. Oh, peanut caramel. That'd be like a Snicker, hey?
Yeah.
Should try this one. Peanut caramel.
Okay.
Oh, look at these Lint ones. Oh, 300 grams.
You can deposit your chocolates in here.
Thank you.
Done deal.
So I feel Indy has never had a Kinder Surprise, and I feel like we should maybe have one on the plane, just in case she plays up. So we'll get one for her, but shh.
Oh yeah.
So I think we'll get this, and something like that for the plane, something easy. So Regi introduced me to these and they're actually really good. Like,
$2.60.
I'm not a, what's
They're $1.90 at Continent. Which one you want, baby?
she's like all of them.
This one?
No.
Look at that boy.
Yes, oh my god.
Oh, that one. But yeah, these are really good. Actually really soft in the center. Can we add a bit of milk?
Alright,
Hey, what you got? You want to deposit that? Oh,
what
okay.
is it? It's got like party written on it. Birthday party.
Just normal.
Oreo. Mom! Yes, maybe.
Oh. Put in the bag, baby.
We get something like this for Indy. Or digestive. These ones should be okay. Thanks. Oh, we have to pay for it. What even are
That was quick. You a quick girlfriend.
What even are they? Mini
They
chocolate
put them
things.
back on the shelf.
Ah!
Whoa.
These are amazing. Like I tried them in Dubai.
Yeah, these are the
Okay.
wow.
Careful, there's a skateboarder. Wow. Oh my god, you guys. Alright, so we've got one more Nana to see, to give these flowers to before we leave and go home. Sadie, should we go? Come on. Where is she? Is Nana already gone inside? Oh! Yes! Yeah, oh, blow kiss. Thank you, thank you. Blow kiss to Nana. Good girl. That's okay, we're gonna miss you. Oh, good girl, baby. Did you give Nana flowers? Did you? You gonna miss Nana? Did you blow Nana a kiss? Oh, you're so sweet, my baby.
Yeah, get on, I'll get my vehicle.
Indy, look! Indy, look, Nana.
Any?
Indy, look, Nana. Come. No? You say hello. Hello, Nana. Say hi. You get to Nana?
We're flying back to Australia.
You going back?
Yeah.
You alright? Good.
We miss you.
Tak to tak fica construction. Give a nice trip.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're coming tomorrow for lunch.
Yeah,
Alright.
we're gonna come have lunch tomorrow.
Yeah? Okay.
We'll see you again.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nana.
See you. Bye bye.
Bye, Nana.
So lovely. Bye, love. Thank you. Thank you.
Hola. There's our 3 nanas.
Oh, 3 nanas, so we are gonna miss. Nana! We're gonna miss our nanas, aren't we? Yes! We're so lucky we have so many nanas.